It is cold and snowy in Edmonton. Now, I have been wearing boots to walk to the university. Let me show you something that you might have seen. This is a boot cleaner, and this one is at the east entrance of the Education South building. Let me show you how it works. So you put your boot in there, and you tip it towards you, and then those brushes clean all of the snow and dirt off of your boots. Much better. And I'm also going to wipe, and that helps keep the building clean. Welcome to Canada.
Shauna, how was the energy last week in the SEC?
I was really impressed with the students last week. There's a lot of diversity, students from a lot of different countries. We were curious about students' first impressions of Canada. Here's what they said in one-word answers.
Cold.
Friendly people.
Red.
Non-judgmental.
Crazy coast. Nice.
Politeness.
Silence.
Pretty.
Thank you for sharing. And what's going on in the SEC this week, Shauna?
Well, come warm up in the SEC on Monday. You can come visit Skoki, our pet therapy puppy. She'll be in my office with me all day. I'll also be providing one-on-one help.
And on Tuesday, we will have writing workshop and Kahoot Cup. This will be our first Kahoot Cup of the term, so remember to show up.
Kahoot's always very popular. Students say it's a lot of fun.
Exactly.
Yeah. On Wednesday, we're going to have a guest speaker from the International Student and Visitor Services to tell us a little bit more about visas and working in Canada and things to do to be successful.
And on Thursday is our popular conversation club. Come to join us in the morning and afternoon from 11 to 12 or 1 to 2 p.m.
And finally, on Friday, we're going on a campus adventure. So what time do we need to meet for that?
So for the morning students, we are meeting at the 12:30 p.m. and the afternoon students will meet at 11 a.m. Both of you need to meet me at the ACC space.
Awesome. Thanks so much. It's going to be a good week. Finally, I'm wondering if you've set a goal for yourself this term. We asked one of our afternoon students, Maxim, about his experience so far, and here's what he had to say.
Hi, my name is Maxim. I feel very inspired and happy to be here because eventually I can get started studying English and develop my skills as much as I can, and I expect myself to become fluent in English and to meet new people and finding new friends. That would be good for me. Thank you.
Thanks, Maxim. Come warm up in the SEC. We always have hot water, hot chocolate, and tea. Just remember, bring your own reusable mug. Cool?
And this was
Silence.